Hello guys, welcome to yet another episode on my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, karibu sana and thank you so much for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, karibu sana and thank you for always supporting my work. Today we are going to cook Pilau Njeri, and all the ingredients that I'm going to use, I'll list them down below on the description box. So we are going right away to fry our onions for about a minute. Then I'll be able to add my diced tomatoes and my garlic and ginger paste. Stir it for even less than 30 minutes. Cover my pot for a period of 2 minutes so that I can allow my tomatoes to cook well, So let's see how it will look like. So this is how my mixture is going to look like after a minute. I'm using my Mwiko to try and reduce the size of the chunks. But before then, I will add my Royco cubes, 2 Royco cubes, turmeric, and paprika, and a little bit of curry powder. Then stir my mixture and cover my sufuria to allow the mixture and the ingredients to infuse well for about 3 minutes. Then voila! This is how my mixture looks like after 3 minutes. So I'm also trying to reduce the tomato chunks by using my mortar or Mwiko. I'll stir it for like less than a minute or even 30 seconds rather. And I'll be able to add my next ingredients, which are the potatoes. I will start to ensure that the potatoes have been infused into the sauce. And I will now cover my pot again to leave the potatoes to cook well. So I'll add a little bit of water so that I might give the potatoes ample time for them to cook. Look at how beautiful and gorgeous my mixture looks like. Wow. So this redness has been brought about by the tomatoes. You can decide to either add more tomatoes or even add tomato paste. It's optional. So we'll cook the potatoes for around 5 minutes. And voila, this is how the potatoes look like after 5 minutes. So I will stir and ensure that I've tasted to confirm the amount of salt, or rather if the spices are well balanced. Then I will add my grated carrots. This is also optional. So I'll add my carrots, stir in and cover for a minute. Then I will add my rice. Before adding my rice, I will add my dark soy sauce, which is close to a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Stir it and now add my rice. The type of rice that I'm using uses 1 cup of rice is to 2 cups of water. So I'll add my rice, stir in the mixture, leave it for about a minute without adding water, then come to add water later and leave it to boil. And let's stay tuned to have a look at the final product. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and I would really love to know what else you would want me to prepare. So let's wait and see the final product. I love you guys. Bye.
low key.